today. I hope you are okay. And welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more video updates. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you an ideas on how to download sound effects using MP3 Juice downloader and to Opera Mini browsers, then send it to KineMaster editing apps. Bali ito guys is yung MP3 Juice is a free MP3 downloads. So for Android user, kasi Android ang ginagamit ko, hindi ko alam kung po pwede siya sa iPhone. So simulan na natin. We're gonna go first to Play Store, then search for Opera Mini browser. Yes. Then we will download it. It is already open because it's already installed to my cell phone. So next is we'll search the KineMaster downloaded, and it's already open because it's installed already to my cell phone. So here it is guys, the Opera Mini browser and the KineMaster installed already to my phone. First thing we do is we'll go to the YouTube apps, then we'll search sound effect that you would like to download. So I choose sound effect wah, like wah 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 wah. Oh my god. So while it is playing, we share it, then copy the link. Then after that, we will open the Opera Mini browser. Then click the Google and search or type the MP3 Juice. Then after that, click the MP3 Juice free MP3 download. So nag-appear na ang MP3 Juice downloader. Then we'll paste the link that we copied from YouTube. The sound effect wah 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 wah. We will wait the downloaded sound effect to appear on the MP3 Juice. So ayan na guys, downloaded na siya sa MP3 Juice downloader. We're gonna click that. So ayan, i-click din uli natin yan going to Opera Mini browser. So dyan siya papasok. Then after that, we'll click the file sharing. So, yan guys, bali downloaded na siya sa Opera Mini browser. Then select natin ang application kung saan natin siya ipapasok, which is we select the KineMaster application kasi doon ako nag-i-edit ng mga videos ko. Yan. So, kiklik mo lang siya, then send na siya doon sa KineMaster apps. So guys, we're gonna open the KineMaster apps, then we'll find the sound effect that we downloaded. Yeah, and here's the example. We'll find the short video, then we will apply that sound to that video. Click the audio, then go to the folders, click that, Then click the downloads and we'll find the sound effect wah. So here it is. Then click the plus or add. Then try to play it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan guys, dito nagtatapos ang aking video tutorial. So sana nagustuhan nyo at nakatulong ako sa inyo, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners na YouTubers. For Android user po yan. So thank you very much. Ingat kayo parate and God bless. See you again to my next vlog. Bye bye!